Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my shot and today's subject. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago for commercial photo for jewelry company in Okinawa. This is ruby necklace and on the perfume bottle. I made a watercolor image the other day, and this time today I want to try some kind of dry media type image illustration. Well, let's see how I can make the different image or create something illustration image. Well, let's get started. I have this base image, shot it by 4x5 reversal film, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges, and this time I'm gonna make this as sort of drawing type. So I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then keep base layer, just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna smudge on this image first. Okay, I'm gonna use smudge tool as since this is pretty small object, so I'm gonna use little pine as a smudge tool. Okay, let's get this, make it smaller and opacity about 80% or so to smudge this layer. Okay. When you smudge it, all the details are gone. You don't see the edge and stuff. But I'm gonna make a mask on the base image, then show this details, little tiny diamonds and stuff later. So now I'm gonna get the kind of brush texture to as if like drawing. Okay. These details of the highlight shape, it's gone. So reflection of the lens on something like that, black reflections. This is just smudged it so you don't see what that is, and I don't think I'm gonna bring this one back because nice thing to smudge to get out of these reflections. And also this shot is since I use a 4x5 pretty much close-up shot because subject is too small, and it's gonna be out of focus, so it doesn't have to smudge much. Well, so that's all about it for smudging. Well, maybe they leave some texture of the smudge brush texture, and maybe this big background side, and also this is black reflections come from lens side. Make a nice gradation here too, and outlines. You don't see much about this area, about this logo mark and spells words. Maybe just touch, smudge it, just leave the texture. Okay. Pretty much done. Now I can touch up later, of course. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, let's see, already the rubies, stones and necklaces looks like as if painted on maybe on canvas or something. Looks like oil painting. Hope. Well, now this area doesn't, well, just smudge touch. And okay, we have this pencil drawing type image. Now I'm gonna change the, let's see, change blend mode to, well, this time though I found out this overlay, oh, not on the base smudged area. Well, I'm gonna change the name first of all so I don't make a mistake. Remake smudge image, then layer 1, this is base image. Okay, then pencil drawing type line. Okay, top is line, smudge and base. Then I bring this one back to normal. This is the smudged image. Then I'm going to change this line image, line drawing type, go to overlay. That shows ruby necklace so effectively, so why not, I'm gonna use this. Okay, now, but I want to use the pencil drawing type image also. So pencil drawing, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer. So one is line image, this is normal, so this is normal, and this one is overlay, line image. Line image, normal image is go to darken, then opacity about 50% now, so we can see through underneath of the image. And also line image, this is change the blend mode overlay to get this effect, but it's turn it off right now. I'm gonna make mask later. Okay, now we see the line image because this is darkened, then also smudge the image. Alright, now I'm gonna smudge the image, crop this image. It's not vertical, I don't think. This is kind of square. Cropping is more, I think, is good, looking good. So first of all, I'm gonna, well, let's see, I'm gonna make mask and invert mask. Now we have line image darkened, so we see where the rubies. I'm gonna reveal this with drawing wreath in it. This one, I love this. Start from here. Let's see. Change. Well, make it other drawing to Murilla. Let's see it. Let's check. I'm looking for some kind of dry media type image. Yeah, I think I like Murilla. Yeah, nice texture though. Okay, and let's see. As I said, I want square look, so about this much square type. Maybe, okay, I'm gonna add layer, then I'm gonna draw with sketching to, how about Procreate pencil? Interesting. Freehand. That's some kind of kids drawing type. Maybe interesting. I'm gonna duplicate layer. And then let's see, change the image. Hue saturation, layer. About this much, some kind of green. Then brightness is same thing's fine. A little bit pastel look. Then let's see, this one goes to darken. Then let's move this image. And that's cool. And I'm gonna move the other one, orangish layer, move to a little bit close. How's this? It's kind of hard to see this. Well, that's okay. I'm going to change the color now again. Maybe go down. Opacity down. Well, just a little bit darken also. Then I'm going to tone down and just want to change the color on this layer. Here's saturation layer, and now we see the color both together. So it's sort of pinkish. Make it lighter. The other one, yellow, orange color, change the color. Hue saturation layer. That's it for this square cropping, and now I'm gonna this smudge image. I have mask here, so well, I want some texture, so artistic to La Rapuna. I want black, and also I'm gonna mask on this pencil drawing image. Make mask, then also same La Rapuna to just mask it, hide outside. And also I'm gonna clean up outlines too. Alright. Well, let's touch up now. This is mask on this line image, which is darken. Then also we have line image, change the blend mode to overlay. Well, this one's just, hold on a second, I'm gonna clean up the other ones. Okay, they are masked here. Again, I want to just change this texture around here to clean up the freeze net or something. So I'm gonna use this to now let's review this overlay type. Okay, make mask, then invert mask. Now it's kind of dull. This brush, I'm gonna use just airbrushing to soft blend. It's kind of too soft, so I'm gonna change to medium blend. So this shows only Ruby to be effective. Overlay max. And let's touch up this mask on this image inside. So, well, I guess this is it for this image. Main subject is this Ruby, and if I want to show that stones real nicely or real photograph image, then I'm gonna bring this base image, go up to top, then turn on this. Now I'm gonna make mask again, then invert mask. Now reveal with airbrushing to medium airbrush. Show some dark side, make it some contrast because it's lightened up with the overlay layer. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video this time, and I hope this movie is gonna help you give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And you guys have a nice day. If you think this movie is kind of okay, then please subscribe and hit the button of the bells. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.